This video will demonstrate the G minor chord in its root position, the first inversion, the second inversion, and how to play with both hands. Starting with the root position, you will play the G note, followed by the B flat, followed by the D note. All together in that order, that is the root position of the G minor chord. Moving on to the first inversion of the G minor chord, starting with the B flat, moving to the D note, moving to the G note when played together. That creates the first inversion of the G minor chord. Moving on to the second inversion of the G minor chord, starting with the D note, followed by the G note, followed by the B flat when played together. That's the second inversion of the G minor chord. If you'd like a fuller sounding G minor chord, play any two of those patterns together on separate octaves, of course, and that will create a fuller sounding two-handed G minor chord. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.